Hi, I'm Clover, and let's take a closer look at our receipt box in Notion. This tool is designed to help you track and organize your receipts effortlessly. First, let's start with the Add New section. This is where you can quickly add new receipts. Simply click on the Add New button and fill in the details of your latest purchase. Here you can add your URL, the amount, the days spent. I'm going to put it as today, which is June 11th. The category of the receipt, let's put it as transportation. Receipt type, let's put it as gas receipts. Account, let's choose an account as account 3. Let's put paid to, let's put Wawa. The month, June. You can add any tags here if you'd like it to resurface whenever the tag is triggered. If it's a bill, you could choose a bill here, which bill it is. If it's a payment to a debt, you can add it here. And if it's a receipt based on a cart that you're tracking in the bank template or an item, you can choose which cart or which item this is the receipt for. And there you have it. That's how you set up a receipt. This feature ensures that all of your receipts are logged promptly and accurately. Next, we have the recent receipts area. Here you can see most of your recent receipts at a glance. For instance, new receipts shows an amount for $200 that I just added on June 11th, which is today. This section keeps your latest financial activities visible and accessed. Now let's move on to the Teleportation Pad. This handy section allows you to set up quick links to different templates that you may have in your system. Right here we have a couple linked. You can go to the academy from here, the kitchen from here, the household from here, and if you want to add any more, you can create a new portal. This feature helps you navigate your overall system efficiently. In the receipt type section, you can categorize your receipts in different types like gas receipt, Amazon receipt, grocery receipts, so that you can know what category is taking most of your money. Categorizing helps you track your spending patterns and manage your finances better. And that's it for the receipt box. Each section is designed to keep your receipts organized and easily manageable.